Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Watch this critical report from Shiba Inu's Shib News, Shiba Inu Billionaires. Shiba Inu, a meme coin that emerged as Dogecoin's rival, is also known as the Dogecoin killer and has quickly grown in popularity among investors. It has more than 2 million shareholders and a market worth of over $8 billion. The creators of Shiba Inu are working on a metaverse game where players may utilize Shibarium, a Layer 2 scaling solution, to spend their tokens, which could turn it into a blockchain for gaming and Web3. These claims, however, are disputed by certain specialists. A significant portion of the approximately 589 trillion Shiba Inu tokens currently in circulation will be burned in the new metaverse planet. Shiba Inu Billionaires will be discussed in this video. Watch this critical Shiba Inu Shib News update. If you want to read our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Shib's price is still having difficulty rising above the $0.110 resistance level. This would demonstrate that the increasing trend is well underway. Crypto analyzes significant indicators to predict what will happen to the price of Shiba Inus. Shiba Inu's daily time period offers an optimistic perspective. There are primarily two causes for this. The price of the Shiba Inu coin first broke free of a 53-year-old long-term declining resistance line. Breakouts from these patterns typically signaled the conclusion of the preceding correction and the beginning of a new rising movement. Shib's situation suggests that the correction that started in February has likely come to an end. The daily relative strength index also surpassed 50. As a momentum indicator, the RSI is regarded to be over 50 when indicating a positive trend. By monitoring how quickly a cryptocurrency's price moves, the RSI tool aids traders in determining whether a currency is overvalued or undervalued. In order to assess whether it would be appropriate to purchase or sell the cryptocurrency, it also considers how quickly and dramatically the price has changed recently. The trend is therefore bullish and an upward advance is anticipated, according to the daily period. If this happens, the 0.6018 Fib retracement resistance level at $0.135, which is the following resistance, would be reached. Indicating potential regions of support and resistance, Fibonacci retracement levels are a set of horizontal lines drawn from the Fibonacci sequence. The optimistic prognosis from the daily time frame is supported by the technical analysis from the short-term 6-hour time frame. The formation of an ascending triangle is the fundamental cause of this. The ascending triangle is seen as a bullish pattern that frequently results in breakouts. On April 12th, the triangular support line had a bounce, and the meme coin is now in the process of breaking through. The price would increase to $5 for a breakout that travels the length of the entire pattern. This bullish Shib price prediction would be invalidated, though, if the triangle support line were to close below it. In that situation, the price may drop to the prior support level of $0.0100. As part of its Rocket Coin Give program, Bitcoin ATM provider Rocket Coin is teaming up with the Shiba Inu Rescue Association, or SIRA, to promote awareness for rescue dogs and collect donations in honor of National Dogecoin Day. According to Michael D'Alessandro, CEO of Rocket Coin, Dogecoin Day is the ideal opportunity for a cryptocurrency company like Rocket Coin to demonstrate its compassion to animals in need. Additionally, users now have the option to donate alongside Rocket Coin as part of their regular Bitcoin transactions and receive compensation. Customers can utilize the Sierra 420 promo code at Rocket Coin ATM kiosks thanks to a relationship between the two companies. Customers who spend $200 to $399 in Bitcoin will receive $5 extra in Bitcoin, and Rocket Coin will contribute $5 to Sierra. Customers who spend $400 or more in Bitcoin will receive an additional $20 worth of Bitcoin, and Rocket Coin will contribute $20 to Sierra. Rocket Coin will give a special t-shirt, $20 more in Bitcoin, and a $20 donation to Sierra to anyone who spends $10,000 or more on Bitcoin. The Shiba Inu Rescue Association's intake volume has grown significantly over the past few years, and as a result, so have our demands for money and supplies, according to Steve Graff, volunteer coordinator at Syra. All donations to our entirely volunteer-run charity go straight to the helpless canines. We are incredibly appreciative of Rocket Coin's assistance in helping us save Shibas that are in need. Association for Shiba Inu Rescue Shiba Inu, Shiba mixes, and other primitive breeds are being rescued from commercial breeders, shelters, and owners by Sierra, a volunteer organization. Leader of the Shiba Inu project Shirtoshi Kazama recently mentioned Shibaswap 20 in a Telegram message, claiming that it is approaching and advising people to disregard any information to the contrary. The Shiba Inu community experienced a brief moment of exhilaration in response to this information as it looked forward to future updates to this platform. This enthusiasm, however, was insufficient to increase the value of the Shiba Inu coin, which now trades at $0.1153 with a market valuation of $6.7 billion, down 0.36% in the previous day alone. Shiba Inu's trade volume has also been declining. It dropped by 30% overnight and is now at $235,184,087. Although the introduction of Shibaswap May 20th result in some favorable price movement for Shiba Inu, we believe it would be more profitable to consider alternatives with greater development potential. Shiba Inu is an August 2020 created ERC20 token, motivated by the well-known dog meme. Even though it was made as a joke, the crypto community has given it a lot of attention and recognition. Shiba Inu now trades for $0.1156 and has a market cap of more than $6.8 billion. Shiba Inu is currently creating a stir in the cryptocurrency market. Following the debut of its decentralized exchange, Shibaswap, the coin has experienced some spectacular price changes and attracted a lot of interest. Shibaswap seeks to facilitate quicker and more effective transactions, enhancing the overall functionality of the Shiba Inu network. It's vital to keep in mind that price predictions are frequently off, especially when dealing with something as potentially volatile as cryptocurrency. Additionally, since many long-term cryptocurrency price forecasts are generated by algorithms, they are subject to sudden change. According to a somewhat erratic short-term Shiba Inu price forecast from First Coindex for 2023, it might drop to $0.39 by April 9th before rising to $0.01427 by May 5th. Unsurprisingly, the technical analysis of the website was impartial, with 19 indicators producing bullish signs and only 8 producing negative signals. Shiba Inu cryptocurrency price predictions by Next Wallet Investor were rather blatant in their prophecies of doom. According to the website, Shib may have a difficult year because its value will only reach $0.921 by the beginning of April 2024. Regarding Shib's price performance going forward, it was optimistic. According to its Shiba Inu price forecast for 2030, the token might trade for an average of $7 that year. The Shiba Inu price was predicted by CryptoPredictions.com to begin the year at 48 cents, rise to $0.167899 by June, and maybe end the year at $0.1885 in 2025. In 2023, there are some encouraging signals for the cryptocurrency sector. Its price has so far ranged from a low of $0.189 on February 9th to a high of $0.15 on February 4th, its highest levels since August. Shib itself, as well as Bone Shibarium's native token, gained from the announcement that the Shibarium Layer 2 scaling solution, a platform that would essentially take Shiba Inu transactions off Ethereum, carry them out, and put them back on Ethereum at an unspecified date in late February or early March, would be released. Furthermore, Shib was worth roughly 34 cents on February 23, 2023. Shibarium was, maybe unavoidably, delayed, but on March 23, the platform's creators declared that they were close to releasing the documentation. Shib was worth slightly more than $0.1 on March 24. The price had been impacted in the previous month by the failure of the Silvergate Bank. The token was worth around $0.01, 1:45 on April 4th, 2023. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To view our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.